Okay, yeah. So who will build? Developer? No, DevOps engineer will build. Okay, so after building, I'm talking about the car, right? So after manufacturing, after assembling everything, what they will do usually, Sharath, what they will do usually, what they will do?
Test, I guess.
Sorry,
After
test.
assembling,
Testing. We will test, right?
test
Who
that.
will test? The company will test, right? The car whether
Mm.
it works properly or not. Test, right?
Yep.
Correct. Test. So after coding, testing will happen.
Mm.
In the car's perspective, car will test.
Yep.
They will test the car. Whereas
Mm.
here we're gonna test the code whether the code is working properly or not. We will test the code. In software terms, if you want to make a good software, someone has to write some code, right? With the code only, finally all this software, this Kite is one software, right? So if this software has to work means somebody has to code, somebody has to build, right? So this is
Yes.
software. So any software if you want to use means some code has to be written. Who will write the code? Developer will write the code. Okay, great. Developer will write the code. Who will test? Testers will test the
Yep.
code. Test. And we also test. We will discuss afterwards. Testers will
Sure.
test the code and then afterwards build. So after that, okay. So all car assembly parts have we've taken. So it was manufactured and then afterwards tested. All the parts have tested individually whether it is following the proper standards, whether it is following some good material they are using. So everything got tested. Fine, okay. And then afterwards we have to assemble it. All the parts assembling and making one final product. Okay, after building, we will get one code, one binaries we will get. The same way, however we build or however we assemble the car, in the same way we gonna build. We're gonna build. That's how we will generate one archives. Archives, or else we can say that binaries. We can say binaries, or else artifact. We can say artifact. Finally, artifact is got generated. Think that this is a car. Think that artifact is a car. Okay, so which is ready to deliver. To whom we have to deliver? First, after assembling, after car is ready, we directly they gonna sell. No, right? Directly they won't sell. They will test. They will test it. After that also they will test it. After car is prepared, after car is done, after complete assembling, after that also they will test. Okay, so we will test in dev environment. Okay, we will test in dev environment and they will test in QA. QA means testing environment. We will test that car. Okay, developing stage will be there for every car. One developing stage will be there, for testing stage will be there, and then some acceptance testing will be there. So they will check the car owner will be there, right? They will check it. So whether it's working properly or not, they will check it. They will give the car to some users. They will give some they will give the car to some users. They will test it and they will check. They will give some feedback to that car owner, that car company owner, that so it is doing good. So you good to go. You good to deliver this car to the people. Deliver to the different environments, like we have dev environment. We will be having in the codes perspective, we will be having dev environment, QA environment, and then UAT environment, and then staging environment, and then pre-prod environment. What is pre-prod? Before the production we will be having some pre-prod. Okay, fine. And then afterwards what will happen? We will be having prod environment. In the production environment means, for example, think that car is we've given to the customer. We've given to the customer. It isn't. It is. We can call it as deployment. First car, a new car. we've built it, okay, we've released it, and we've given to the customer, means it is in a product, which we can call it as the car is live. The car is in live. The new car, if it is completely, it is come to the on-road price, and the person is purchased and he's using, means the product is in online. Product is in live, we can say. Fine. In the same way, in the software perspective, that code has gone to the production. Okay, fine. We have dev environment, we have QA environment, we have UAT environment. All these environments will be having each and every environment. We're gonna test it. We're gonna check it. If this is working fine, then we can say that it is working fine, and then it has got success. Or else it has gone to production. Some issue has come. Then how do we monitor that? How do we monitor that? Okay, we have done delivery, okay, fine, we have done deployment. What deployment? The car has given to the people are keep on giving the cars. So one car is delivered, so which is working fine, okay, fine. So some more cars we want to give, some more cars we want to give to the customers. Okay, we have a lot of demand, so customer likes the car, customer liked our car, then we have to give the car to the customers. Multiple cars they are asking, lot of demand has come, so the customer liking very much, but customer has got some problem. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So customer has got some problem. Problem that it is not working. Some engine issue has come. He has got some engine issue. So that engine issue we will take care of that. That engine issue will be taken care by the company only, right? The company will get some warranty, right? So yeah, with that warranty we'll go to the he will go to the he will call to the customer care, and he will go to the service center and saying that I have that issue, you have to fix it. You told me that you have, there is warranty, the car is very much good, but I'm facing an issue. So this and all who will take care of? The company owner, right? So the everything is monitoring. Some monitoring team will be there. They will monitor. Okay, okay, this issue has come. Okay, I have to fix it. I'll fix it. I'll give it to you. On top of a warranty, you have a warranty. Some 2 years warranty is there. If any issue is come, I'll fix it and I'll give it to you. Like that, there is one warranty. In that warranty, they will fix it and they will give it to you. So whatever they're doing, so they are in 2 years they're gonna monitor what is the issue is here. What we can call it as, then that we can call it as monitor. We are monitoring. Who will monitor? In code perspective, we will monitor the code, we will monitor the software. If it is working fine, okay. If we are facing any issue, we'll be having some tools. With the tools we will monitor the software. If there is an issue, we'll fix it and we'll have to give again, we have to deploy. Again we have to deploy, means car we have to again fix it and we have to give to the customer. That is we can call it as, so continuous deployment. If we are fixing and we are giving to you, okay. The new car has come, the demand has gone, so demand has gone. So for a day we want two cars, three cars, then we have to give continuously, right? Continuously we have to give, continuously we have to give new features we add. So you know about the cars, right, Sharath?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So, for example, every year one facelift will come, one new features will come. The modification will do, they will give, right? So, in code's perspective, we can think that we can assume that in code we will be having some features. Client will say, I need new features, I need this way, this software this way. The client will say, then what we will do? So we have to do according to the, as per the feature we have to do, and we have to give to him. So that we can call it as features. Okay, fine. We have dev environment, QA environment, staging prod environment, right? So all that we are doing with automation tools. Okay, automation tools. With automation tools we will do, developer will develop the code, okay. Tester will test the code. Build engineer will build the code. Build engineer, who is build engineer? Devops engineer only. we had build engineer, release engineers like that. But whereas now, DevOps engineer only taking care of that. Because of that, he is paid. Paid. Okay. Even monitor also he will do. DevOps engineer only will take care of. But he is not doing manual things like earlier, like build engineer, like delivery engineer. He is not doing manual. He is doing some automation testing to automation tools, and testing tools will do the some will do by the testers. Okay, doing some with an automation tools. Okay, Acha, you are telling all automation tools. What are all the automation tools? We have some tools like Git, okay, Jenkins, okay, okay, Docker, Kubernetes. What else? Ansible we have. So these are all the tools. These are some tools, some notable tools. So for these tools in market there is a high demand. So if you learn these tools, you will get some good. You'll get some good opportunities. We'll be having some Terraform also. Nowadays people are asking Terraform. Okay, and then now AWS. This is what is AWS? It is a cloud. Okay, in a cloud environment we gonna work. Okay, these are all the tools. These are all the tools we gonna if you learn this, we will be having more demand. If you, especially if you learn Terraform, Kubernetes, which is more than enough, you'll get more. You will get more demand nowadays. Some people say that there is no cause. There is no cause. Calls are there, but we have to update ourselves. We have to fill our gaps. Right? Are you understanding? Are you understanding what I'm? Are you able to follow?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So yeah, Aruna garu, మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Yeah, fine, fine. Yeah, fine. So this is how the DevOps engineer will do. The DevOps engineer will do with some automation tools like Git, Jenkins, Docker, or Kubernetes, or Ansible. With this help of automation tools, he will do. He won't do anything. He will just automate and he will sit simply. He will do automation. First, he will do configure all the tools. He will sit silently. If there is any issue, he will go and fix. If there is any build pipeline issue, he will go and fix. Okay, so after the code test, after a tester or a developer, after he tester approves the code, he'll take the code. Tester will approve the code. Okay, he will do testing and he will approve the code. Okay, this code is fine. You good to go. You go for a build and release. Then the DevOps engineer will take the code. He will build the code. He will build the code with the build pipelines. Okay, he will release the code with the release pipeline. Okay, so yeah, after releasing that software, that code will be go to the production. In the production, we only have to monitor. So this is job. This is our job. So build, release, deploy, monitor. This is our job. Okay. So as a DevOps engineer, if you are a DevOps engineer, means you should be you will be in all the crafts. So one director will be in all crafts, right? One movie director will be in all crafts, right? So in the same way, as DevOps engineer also will be in all crafts. All crafts means all departments. So all life cycle, all software development in software development life cycle, in each and every phase he will be there. So what is software development life cycle you are telling? I'll tell you. Okay, which we can call it as SDLC, software development life cycle. If you want to develop one software, means we need requirement analysis first. What is the requirement? What is the requirement? So the client will give some requirement. Okay, I want this way of software. You gonna work. Okay, I take the requirement. Okay, fine. I take the requirement. Being a product owner, I'll take the requirement. I'll sit with my team. My team, which is having some architects. Okay, product owner, manager, and then team leader, developers. All that I have team. I'll discuss what is the requirement and I'll analyze what is the requirement. That is we can call it as requirement analysis. After requirement analysis, who will design? Architect. One architect person will be there. The architect person will design. Okay, we have one requirement. We will design this way. We will build this way. Okay, we will deploy there. We will use this cloud. In this cloud, we're gonna deploy. we will host our application in this cloud. Okay, fine. We will build this, we will release this code in this way, we will use this tool, we will use git, we will use Jenkins. Like that he will design one diagram, one architect diagram he will design. And then afterward developer will come and he will code. He will take the features, small features he will take and he will code. Okay, fine. Coding is done. After coding he gonna build. Okay, he gonna build. Who will build? So as a DevOps engineer, that we have to build. Okay, so fine. Okay, after building, what we have to do? Right? Release. So yeah, before the code testing will be done. Before the code testing will be done. After testing, building. After building, release. After releasing, deploy. After this, monitor. Yeah, this is what we will be having. This we can call it a software development life cycle. So as a DevOps engineer, you will involve with developers. You will talk with developers. You will talk with testers. You will talk with the release engineers. Release engineers. You will talk with the test engineers, developers, and then all the people who are in. Yeah, yeah. Please.
Here after testing, of course, after testing, we will get that code, right?
Yeah,
So
correct.
we get a code from the different fields. I hope. Is it correct?
I repeat you. Can you please come again? Can you please come
No,
again?
no, we get the code from the different fields. All the persons are not doing the same thing, right? Like, for example, I would like to take the Flipkart. Flipkart, we have a Wednesday sale or else a Sunday sale. There is a
Mm.
timing for the timing purpose. There is a different, and for amounting finance fee for financing purpose, there is a different code. Banking,
Yeah. Correct.
right?
You are correct. You are
The two codes will be get to us. I hope. Huh?
yeah. Two codes.
So
Two codes.
after testing, we will the two codes will get to us, and we used to
Yeah.
be what we do over there. After getting the two codes, we build. I mean, you said as a we build the structure. What structure
Yeah.
will build? I mean, in the
No, no,
website
no.
we used to do the same, or else we just do the retesting of the tool.
Yeah, the thing here is, so who will design? I told you the architect will design. So
Hmm.
coders will do. Coders means developer will code the code. He will write some code. Okay. So he will write some code, and that code will be tested by tester. For example, you said some Flipkart, and then you take Swiggy. Flipkart, Amazon is some e-commerce applications. These kind of applications will be there, right? So that application we will be divided into number of features, so we don't deploy at a time. So I'll coming to you. So earlier we had a waterfall methodology. Now we are using agile methodology, and now it has come DevOps. Agile plus DevOps. Okay, so with this what we'll do, we will not do the entire software at once. We will divide the software into number of modules, number of features. We will divide and we will build and we will release separately, and then afterwards all the modules we will integrate and we cannot apply. Okay, that's how it will happen. Okay,
Okay.
for example you take Swiggy. Okay, Swiggy is an application which is a platform as a service, software as a service. This software, so they want some new changes. For example, Swiggy display will be different. Swiggy, what is the color of Swiggy? By the know, if you know, please tell me.
Yellow something.
Yeah, something. You somebody, the client will ask, I don't want this color, I want some pink color I want. Then that pink
Hmm.
color has to happen, and then you want some new features. In that you want some new other terminologies, new other buttons and all. He will demand, the client will demand. Okay, user will demand. Then who will do the, again, for that software developer will write the code. Okay, so new feature has come. Okay, we have to write the code. He will write the code for the particular feature. We will take that feature, we will build it, the tester will test that code, and we will build it and we will release it. Will release it and we will deploy. After deploying, the new feature will go to the into our phone.
Mhm.
It will go like one version. one version like 1.2, 1.3, like that one version will be there, right? So that we can call it as version, new version. We can say that new version,
Yeah.
old version which is having no module like that. Yeah.
For this, we need to learn the programming language as well.
No, not exactly.
We
So I'll
don't
tell
need
you.
only
Yeah.
based on tool.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
for
not that
testing.
also.
Hmm?
Programming means some scripting will be
Yeah,
there.
scripting.
Some scripting language will be there. Some groovy code will be there. Groovy scripting. Groovy scripting is which is if you know some JavaScript, which is more than enough. If you are in your academics, if you learn some C, C++, Java, some coding knowledge enough. Or else, if you don't know also, you can learn. There is not a sorry. There is not a problem. So we will be
No,
having
no.
yeah.
Here in DevOps, is there any programming language will be, I mean, place?
Uh, Not exactly. Not required any programming language. Some people decide. Some people demand some Python and all.
We don't need any
Yeah.
software
No.
skill.
No, I never learned. I don't know any software. Like like I don't know any language.
Programming
Python.
language.
I don't know
Hmm.
till now. I've been doing for the past 5 years. I've been doing the
Oh,
this
great.
engineer job. But the thing is that I don't learn. I never learn Python. Okay, I'm using
Okay.
group script. I'm using shell script. Okay, these many some scripting language only. I learned. I'm using that only. Some PowerShell we will be having. So that also I'll take it from already existing script we will be having in our company. We will be having some folders. That script I'll take and I'll use it. What's so big
Okay.
deal? Okay, if you want, nowadays people have come with the chat GPT. Okay, if you want
Hmm.
some scripting code, you will get some code that code you will take and you will do some as per your customization. You can change it and you can use it. There's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So the programming means there is some lightweight programming will be there. There is no such there you don't need to write any big logics. You don't need to write any some module code and all. No, nothing.
Okay.
We'll be having already. We will
Then,
be yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
yeah,
First,
I mean, lightweight means, I mean, light programming means, this only scripting language you said, right?
scripting only. Yeah.
What did mean exactly? I didn't get that. Is
Uh,
it just
I
like a command what we give,
kind of command only. See, we
or else
have built.
prompt what we used to do in chat?
It's not like that, Sharad. For example, we want to build the code, right?
Okay.
For that, we have to run some. We have to write some scripting code, like either it is Groovy code. For Groovy code, also some DSL statements will be there. That is already existing. Some pipeline syntax will be there. You can generate there and you can use that code. Okay. So and for we will be having some release pipeline. For pipeline, we have to write some code, right? For releasing the code, we have to write some code. That code is here we will use Groovy code. Okay,
Okay.
we can use shell scripting also. Shell scripting, that is Linux based. So every OS will have some scripting, like Windows have some PowerShell. Okay, Linux have some shell script like that. That is lightweight only. Which shell is we can call it as including some commands. With the help of commands only, all forming, it will become like a script,
Okay.
right? So you don't need to learn the logics and all. You don't need to you don't need to put take out all the hair. So for only programming, you don't need to you need to pluck your hair for only for program. No, nothing. Yes,
Hmm.
you should maintaining some automation tools. You have to build. You have to maintain the pipelines. Pipelines means don't think that is a normal.
No, no, I know the scenario.
This is not a water pipeline. Just
I
like
know.
just kidding. Yeah, yeah. Some build pipeline will be there. Some release pipeline will be there. So pipeline means we are including all some repositories we are including. Okay. So repository we are include some build tool. We will build it, and then after artifacts will give to the release pipeline. The release pipeline will release and then it will go on deploy. That's it. Some lightweight we cannot say. We cannot say that we don't have programming. Some lightweight is there, that also we can generate. Okay, so we no need to write with our mind. We cannot to, we no need to use also. We no need to use our mind much also for configuration and all. We have to do some configuration and all. I cannot say that DevOps is very much easy, but it is not a it is not a rocket science. I'm telling, right? There are so many people are coming to the DevOps, right?
Okay.
So as a DevOps, so even developers also coming. Developers also
Yes.
coming to the DevOps
Yeah.
because
Yes.
they're not able to handle the pressure and all. They will get some more pressure, whereas DevOps engineer also we will have some pressure, but the work is very easy. We can do it,
Okay.
but sometimes it will take time also for configuration and all. But they will
Okay.
consider, client will listen to our words, because as a DevOps engineer you have to do some configuration. It will take some time. He will also
Mm.
understand. If it is a code means they will simply write some code only, right?
Yeah. Yes.
But whereas we are handling different environments, right? Environmental issues, so many issues will come, right?
Yes.
So with that, we will be saved. They will give some time also. It's a small issue also. Client will understand. As a DevOps engineer,
Mm.
I'm feeling that client will understand us, because a DevOps engineer has to maintain all that. He has to talk with all the like all the teams.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There is an issue with,
And
if there is an issue in code, yeah. If there is an issue comes, we have to talk with code. We have to talk with the developer. If there is an issue in the testing, we will talk with the testers, and we have to include some testing tools to the our pipelines. Okay,
mm.
if there is an issue in database, we have to talk with the database people. If there is an issue
Mm.
in infrastructure, we have to talk with infrastructure. More than is a more on communication, how you communicate and all. So yeah,
Okay.
so it's a doable job. It's not a rocket science and all. Yeah, and then you will get some good packages also. To be very frank, I'm telling. Yeah,
Okay. Got it.
fine.
Yeah.
So I
As
said
I
it out.
said, yeah. As I'm good with this. Structure is
Yeah.
good. Understandable it is, and I have only one doubt. I have 3 years of experience in PNC data analyst. So
Mm-hmm.
if I want to come into the DevOps, is
Mm-hmm.
they will take me as a from the initial stage like a fresher, or else they will consider my past experience.
Yeah, that is doable. So we'll discuss this with later. Yeah, so that is doable. That is doable actually. So yeah, you can learn, and that is doable, Andy. So that's doable. It's
Yeah,
not a problem. So we'll discuss this with. You can discuss this with Prasad and all. Prasad will help you on this. So okay,
no,
and
no.
then
Just
yeah.
I'm not asking that point of view. I'm asking that
Mm.
is it possible with this? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
a analyst can do
Yeah,
that the
no,
DevOps.
not a problem. He can do. Even see, non-technical people also doing DevOps engineering. See,
Oh,
non-technical people also learning. They are doing job. They are doing job, and they are good, taking some good packages. They're doing some. They are doing in my MNC companies, right?
yeah.
So you are in compared to them, you are you are far much better than them, right? They are non-technical
Yeah,
people.
of course, but
Your
we
analyst.
don't know what is in the structure. I mean, of course, we are also from MNC, but I don't know what will happen over there, right? First of all, I don't know the structure. What is going to be in this subject?
So yeah, whatever I told you, see, I'll tell you. So
Mm.
DevOps architecture, I will tell you. Architecture, DevOps.
In how many years of experience a person can become an architect?
So yeah, which is if you want to become an architect, you should get at least 8 years experience. 8 years as a DevOps engineer, not like other. Okay,
Mm.
fine.
Okay,
So
got it.
yeah, more than an architect, you can become a manager, you can become a team leader. Okay, so you can become a tech leader. There are a lot of positions out there.
Okay.
If you want to become an architect, means you should be technically sound. So sound, you should be technically more sound. Then you can become an architect. It's not a
Okay.
problem. Yeah. See here. So I told you, right? Plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. Again, new things or new features will come. Then again, plan, code, build, test, release. This is infinity.
Mm.
This is architecture. What we do with help of these tools. some set of codes. So each company will have different tools, right?
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, yes, good.